Yes, welcome back. So in this segment here, we're now going to look at how to maneuver around PowerPoint. So PowerPoint, this is now a PowerPoint presentation. Like we said, these are slides. So you can see we have about 8 slides. You can see here slide 8 of 8. So this is how our slide looks like. Then here we have the provision of adding notes in case you have some small notes that you want to add on here. So we can say engage the audience so that it is a more of guiding. Then still here we have a slide sorter. Help you sort the slides you want. Then you can put it in a reading view. Then this for a slideshow. Then this is a magnification. I want your slides to you. So for now we shall use such a slide. So we have such a slide. So our first slide, you can see, is sickle cell. We are going to talk about sickle cell disease. So this is our title slide. It gives us basically the topic and the presenter of the topic. You can see. So there are two places. There is this title slide and then there's another one. So basically in this presentation we kept on using the title and the title slide. As you can see, we said if you want to go and add a slide, you go there and then you go to insert, and then you go to new slide. Okay, that is how we add a slide. So most of my slides all are basically title. We can confirm. So most of my slides are basically this slide here, title and content slide, because I don't have any content to compare and the rest, so it is just basically. So and then one thing you must know is in PowerPoint you must be exactly as brief to the point as possible, because you wouldn't want your audience to continue wondering what you're presenting about. So we have my slides here, so we can decide to edit it. This is our slide. So this whole thing here is a deck, like we say, and then this is our slide. So we can make some changes probably on our slide. So we can look at I think we don't need a new slide, but if you wanted we could just go here and then we create a slide. I don't need a table, but if I wanted I would insert a table. A picture, we can add a picture probably. Let's say we go there and then tells us to it's waiting to upload the picture. Then let's say yes, we can choose a picture from here. Let's say we can choose this. So then we insert. So when we insert a picture onto our slide, we shall see it's downloading it on our slide. Yeah, sure, take by the time. So you see the picture has come. So we can adjust the picture how we so desire it, wherever I want it to be. Okay, maybe let's say want it to be somewhere smaller dimension, maybe here because of space. Okay, so that's how we can insert a picture. So we can see a picture has been inserted here. We can as well still insert very many things according to what you desire for your presentation to look like. So you see, this was another way that we could apply that. So this pan here tells you how the effect will be like. So we can also look into other things. Probably you can use a text. See, probably the effect, and then so we can also maybe make some drawings. If you have some drawings that you want of any kind onto your slides, then we can also design our slide. So for example, we can put this theme. It should be something that is pleasable to your audience. So you see, it is applied generally to all the slides. That's how it looks like. So that is when we go to design. So you see how it presents like. So that's the design. So we can also format your slide if you want to format it. So you can format background, and probably, let's say you want to put a color change on your background, probably red. Okay, you should know the color you're there. Then you can either, if you want it on one cell, it's okay, you can put on another one also if you want a color change. But if you want all, you can actually go back to our design, and then we go to format, and then we can say we want that color to apply to all. So it applies to all. Should be able to tell what your people want. Then still under design, is there anything we missed out? No. Then we go to transition. Now transitions gives you a way that you shall move from one slide to another in your presentation. So for example, if we do a split, so you see how a split looks like, it will only just be splitting it. To use a split, we look at transition. See, transition, then we split, then we play to apply to all. So when we do apply to all, then we can go to the slideshow. So you see how it looks like, and you keep splitting, okay, keep showing something, okay, to keep showing you how it will be looking at the transitions. You can see the transitions. So we come to the end of that show, and then we go to a slideshow. So in the slideshow, I think we don't have much to do here with the slideshow. So basically, that is how you use your PowerPoint presentation. So it is basically used for presenting, so that you can make any changes that you want to make on your slide. You can do anything. If it is a data that you want in a graphic form, you can do it in graphic. If it is anything that you want to show, probably it's a presentation about the sales, anything you want, you can use to show here. So basically, that is how you use a PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it has been helpful. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like.